ABC Speaking Academy. Today, let's have a daily use English sentences for kids. Are you ready? Let's begin. I like grapes.
I like grapes.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I love my sister.
I love my sister.
I have a gift.
I have a gift.
I like cake.
I like cake.
I can sing.
I can sing.
I go to the market.
I go to the market.
I play outside.
I play outside.
I see a flower.
I see a flower.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I have a dog.
I have a dog.
I can jump high.
I can jump high.
I love my mom.
I love my mom.
I have a bag.
I have a bag.
I read comics.
I read comics.
I see the sun.
I see the sun.
I have a cap.
I have a cap.
I drink juice.
I drink juice.
I like to paint.
I like to paint.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I love my dog.
love my dog.
I am smart.
I am smart.
I see the sun.
I see the sun.
I like to read.
I like to read.
I can write.
I can write.
I read stories.
I read stories.
I am a good friend.
I am a good friend.
I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
I drink milk.
I drink milk.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I play with my toys.
I play with my toys.
I see the stars.
I see the stars.
I can sing.
I can sing.
I have a crayons.
I have a crayons.
I am funny.
I am funny.
I have a book.
I have a book.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I play volleyball.
I play volleyball.
I like to dance.
I like to dance.
I love my brother.
I love my brother.
I see a balloons.
I see a balloons.
I play games.
I play games.
I have a pencil.
I have a pencil.
I eat breakfast.
I I eat breakfast.
I like to paint.
I like to paint.
I love my pet.
I love my pet.
I am brave.
I am brave.
I see a car.
I see a car.
I have a backpack.
I have a backpack.
Thanks for listening.